Are you looking for some business ideas that you can start with just $100? If so, you're in luck. In this video, we will discuss 10 different business ideas that you can get up and running today. Some of these businesses require a small amount of money to get started, while others do not. However, all of them can be started for less than $100. So whether you're a recent graduate who is struggling to find a job, or you're just looking for some additional income, these business ideas are a great option for you. But before that, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. Let's dive into the video. Number 10. Start house flipping business. You can start by finding a low-cost property to fix and flip. Look for motivated sellers who are willing to sell their property at a discount. With a limited budget, you'll need to be creative in your financing options. You can find properties that need minor cosmetic repairs and update them yourself to save on costs. If you have a good eye for design, you can create a stunning transformation that will appeal to buyers in your market. With a small budget and some elbow grease, you can start your own house flipping business today. Number 9. Party equipment rental business. You could start a business renting out party equipment like tents, tables, chairs, and even dishes and silverware. You could start with just a few items and then grow your inventory as your business grows. To get started, you'll need to invest in some quality party equipment. You can find used equipment at garage sales or online, or you can rent it from a party rental company. Once you have your inventory, promote your business by setting up a website and listing your services online. The key to success with this business is to be organized and efficient. Make sure you have a system in place for delivering and picking up the equipment, and always be on time. If you can provide great customer service, you'll be sure to find success with this business idea. Number 8. Swimming pool cleaning business. Swimming pool cleaning is a great business idea for those looking to start their own business with a small investment. All you need is a swimming pool vacuum, cleaning supplies, and a pole. You could start this business by yourself or with a partner. Prices will vary depending on the size of the pool, but you can typically charge $50 to $100 per month per pool. If you live in an area with a lot of apartment complexes or homeowners associations, this could be a great business to get into. You can start this business by yourself or with a partner, and prices will vary depending on the size of the pool. One important thing to remember when starting your own business is to be sure to get all the necessary licenses and permits that may be required in your area. Another thing to keep in mind is to have proper liability insurance for your business. Number 7. Consulting business. Starting a consulting business is a great way to make money, and it's something you can do with just $100. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can start a consulting business. For example, you could be a financial consultant, social media consultant, or even a business consultant. There are many ways to start a consulting business with just $100. To get started, all you need is a phone and an internet connection. You can also create a website and start promoting your services online. If you're looking for a way to make money, starting a consulting business is a great option. With just $100, you can get started and begin earning an income. There are many different types of consulting businesses you can start, so choose the one that best suits your skills and interests. Number 6. Become a tutor. You can use websites like Wyzant to offer your tutoring services online. You can set your own rates, and tutor students in subjects you're passionate about, like math or science. All you need is a computer and a good internet connection. If you have some extra time on your hands and want to earn a little bit of extra income, tutoring might be the perfect gig for you. To get started, all you need is $100 to sign up for a Wyzant account. Once you create your profile, set your hourly rate, and start tutoring students in subjects you're passionate about. Number 5. Become an influencer. If you have a knack for social media and a strong following, you can become an influencer. Businesses will pay you to promote their products and services on your platform. The more followers you have, the more money you can make. To get started, all you need is $100 to invest in some quality photos and videos. Once you have a portfolio, reach out to businesses and offer your services. With a little creativity and hard work, you can start making money with just $100. These are just a few of the many business ideas you can pursue. What will you do with your $100? The sky's the limit. Number 4. A freight broker or clearing agent. You can become a freight broker or clearing agent with just $100. You will need to get a license, but this can be done online. Once you have your license, you can start brokering deals between businesses who need to ship goods. This is a great business idea for people who are good at negotiating and networking. If you are interested in becoming a freight broker or clearing agent, there are many resources available to help you get started. The Association of American Brokers and Freight Forwarders offers an online course that covers the basics of the business. You can also find plenty of information on the internet about starting your own freight brokerage business. All you need is a computer and an internet connection to get started. With a little bit of research and some startup money, you can be in business today as a freight broker or clearing agent. This is a great way to make money while helping businesses save money on shipping costs. Number 3. Real estate agent. If you're looking for a business that you can start quickly and with little upfront investment, becoming a real estate agent is a great option. With some hard work, you can start generating a healthy income. The barriers to entry for a real estate agent are relatively low. You'll need to take a course and pass an exam, but once you're licensed, you can start working with clients. The average real estate commission is around $100 per transaction, so if you can close just one deal per month, you'll be bringing in $1,200 per month. And, the more deals you close, the more money you'll make. So, if you're looking for a business that you can start quickly and with little upfront investment, becoming a real estate agent is a great option. With some hard work, you can start generating a healthy income. Number 2. Dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a business model in which e-commerce entrepreneurs sell products without having to carry any inventory. When a store owner receives an order from a customer, they simply contact the supplier, who will then ship the products directly to the customer's doorsteps. Dropshipping is a great business model for new e-commerce entrepreneurs because it's simple to set up and manage, and it doesn't require a large upfront investment. To start a dropshipping business, you'll need to find a niche product to sell and create a store. Once your store is up and running, you can start sourcing products from suppliers. When you receive an order from a customer, you simply contact the supplier and they will ship the products directly to your customer. Dropshipping is a great business model for new entrepreneurs because it's simple to set up and manage, and it doesn't require a large upfront investment. Number 1. Start a blog. If you have something to say and you're passionate about a particular topic, then starting a blog is a great way to share your ideas with the world. All you need is a domain name and hosting, which can be easily obtained for less than $100. Once you have your blog set up, start writing quality content that will engage your readers. If you're not sure what to blog about, consider starting a niche blog. For example, you could start a blog about fashion for curvy women or gardening tips for beginner gardeners. By zeroing in on a specific topic, you'll be able to better connect with your target audience. Not only is starting a blog a great way to share your ideas with the world, but it can also be a great way to make money. With a little effort and dedication, you can start earning money from your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. If you're able to generate enough traffic to your site, you could even start making money from ads. Those are the top 10 business ideas you can start today with $100. Hope you got some value. If so, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. See you in the next video.